America seems loves that it's football, especially the NFL, but concussions now have a lot of people taking a second and third look. The NFL certainly is, and looking to Ann Arbor for some answers. Business Center Rob Maloney shows us how U of M is on the front lines in trying to fight the concussion problem.
For the past 5 years, in this University of Michigan Mechanical Engineering Laboratory, they've been working on something very important, a new and safer helmet and also body armor for soldiers. So when the NFL said that they were looking for a better football helmet to prevent concussions, they said, the Wolverines are ready. Former MSU quarterback and current Houston Texan Brian Hoyer suffered 2 concussions this month. Detroit Lions cornerback Rashean Mathis' season 2 ended with a concussion. Looking back, Lions running back Jabba Best's career ended that way. The NFL wants and needs better helmets, so it put out a request for new helmet materials, and U of M professor Ellen Arruda believes she has them.
We looked into what it would take to develop a material that could optimally and repeatably dissipate the energy of an impact as well as reduce the force.
This disc is the design. The inside circles your skull and brain. The outer 3 layers that look like this on lab cameras, the materials. She submitted the disc for the NFL's Healthy Head contest along with 100 other entities. The NFL picked the top 5, and with its top 5 finish, Ellen's lab gets $250,000 in research money to further improve.
We have a design that works, and we know that it is optimal in many cases.
Ellen, believe it or not, is a Steeler fan, yet she carries that Wolverine swagger.
We are very confident in our design. We have the best science behind this, yeah.
So of the top 5 in this competition, U of M is the only university. There are 4 other companies, but should the Wolverines win, they would spin off to have a separate company, as they've done with so many other successes like this. We'll find out in a year. In Ann Arbor, Rod Maloney, Local 4.
It's interesting. What a lot of people don't know is the football helmet originally came into existence to prevent skull fractures. It's actually, in relative terms, only recently we started worrying about prevented damage that can happen inside the brain when people are playing football. And of course, football's not the only sport that's where this has been a big
Don't you think somewhere down the line with football, they're going to have to sign a waiver because insurance-wise, they're not going to insure that anymore. So if you want to make it, and they're going to pay you a lot of money to play, but
it's going to come with a waiver. Yes,
it's going to have to waive the. We're going to talk a little baseball because yesterday they made their announcement that Pete Rose would not be reinstated.